Physical Intelligence's Pi 0.5 is revolutionizing robotics with unprecedented open-world generalization capabilities. Unlike previous models, Pi 0.5 can adapt to entirely new environments it's never seen before, cleaning kitchens and bedrooms in unfamiliar homes with remarkable flexibility. This breakthrough VLA system understands both high-level tasks and precise motor controls, allowing robots to handle everything from rearranging dishes to wiping spills with a sponge. The key advantages: Pi 0.5 offers true adaptability across different settings, without specific training. Processes multiple input types including images, text and actions, and features hierarchical control that translates natural language commands into precise robot movements. This isn't just an incremental improvement, it's a fundamental leap toward robots that can navigate our messy, real-world environments with human-like resourcefulness. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to @The Neural AI for more cutting-edge AI innovations.